Introducing the Canycom 1810 ride-on brush cutting mower. Made in Japan, the machine is built on a very strong construction Canycom chassis. It comes fitted with an 18 horsepower Briggs & Stratton Vanguard V-twin engine, which has an 18 litre fuel tank. It's also got a heavy duty cutting deck, which is 975mm wide, and it uses a unique shaft drive system, which ensures that we get direct drive from the engine straight to the cutting blade. This means we don't have to worry about failing belts or power loss as you would expect with a belt drive system. We also use Canycom's very own hydrostatic transmission. This gives us great traction when we're working on slopes. We have dual controls with a hand lever to the left and a foot lever down to your right. There's an adjustable steering wheel column, and we also have a footrest which gives extra leg room and lends itself well to taller operators. Looking down at the control panel, here we have the hour meter, the oil pressure gauge, and there's also a warning light which advises us when we're working up to the maximum angle of 25 degrees. On this side of the machine we've got the two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive lever. We've also got a differential lock down to the left-hand side of the machine, which basically gives us extra traction on top of the four-wheel drive for working in really treacherous conditions. Underneath the console in the middle here, we've also got the lever which we can lift up for engaging the cutting blades. We then have our throttle lever, which we can run in an eco mode, and we've also got the choke here and the ignition for starting and stopping the machine. Just down to my left here, we've got another lever which is for adjusting the transmission between high and low range. If we're working, we generally use the machine in low range. Between sites, we can move it into the higher range position for faster transportation. Down to my right side, I've got the lever here for lifting the cutting deck up and down. And with this deck, we can cut from 0 right the way up to 150mm, which is 6 inches of clearance. And that's the most of any machine on the market today. We also have a nice little dial down here, and that means that we can preset the height to where we want. So when we're working from one site to another, we can basically lift the deck up for transport and then drop it back down to the desired height, and we're straight back to where we were before. Down to my left side, I've got a pedal for the parking brake, and there's a lever here for engaging that to ensure that the machine is stable. At the front here, we've got a really sturdy bull bar, and it will help to guide material through underneath the deck. We've also got a protection guard at the front here, so that stops any material from flying out of the machine. And then we've got a steel axle on the front, so this is a cast steel axle designed to last. Canycom also fit their own endurance tyres. These give great grip, stability and traction for the type of conditions you're going to need to work in with this machine. All decks are fitted with Canycom's own Samurai blade. We have the added benefit that these blades can be changed over on site without using any tools. When they're worn down on one side, we're able to turn them over, which will give us much longer life out of one set of blades. This technology is designed to last a lot longer than a conventional steel blade. On the top here we have a nice little panel which can be removed. That gives us good access into the battery, and we've also got an isolator switch for storage in the winter months. The seat easily lifts forward, which reveals a storage box. We can then remove this, which will give us access into the top of the deck for cleaning and maintenance. To the rear of the machine we've also got a hood that lifts up, and this will reveal the Briggs & Stratton Vanguard 18 horsepower engine. It also allows access for servicing. We've then got a service door for easy maintenance. We've got a couple of strapping points on either corner, and we can also fit an optional tow hitch for towing something such as a trailer or a roller. So that's an overview of the Canycom CMX1810. It's a great machine for private or commercial users, packed full of features and built to last. Get in touch with PSD today to arrange an on-site demonstration or just for more information.